This video is about how to create a new month flyer in Pixellab.
Three, two, one.
Once you open Pixellab, this is what you are going to see. Proceed to delete the default text. Now let's create our background. You click here, select color. So here is the background I'm going to use. For you to do that, you need to use gradient. By tapping here, you can select the first color and then you pick the color. The second color, you also pick a light yellow and an orange. So when you bring it together with that circular blend, you will have this kind of gradient. Now let's take the next step, which is inserting the picture and then reducing the opacity for us to have a blended background. Now import the image. This image is in PNG format. Now increase the size. Once you increase the size, proceed to opacity and then reduce it. It's okay at 8% like this. Now let's bring in another layer. You can lock that one down so as to avoid any issue. Now let's use a rectangle. That's fine now. Now we need to bring in the main image now. Import again, select the image and then you resize it to the perfect size you want. Now let's write happy new month. Happy new month. Since this is a new month, we are designing a new month flyer. Click on text, edit and type. Now we bring this happy here and then we select font. Go to font and select font. Click on font. I'm using kinkres, so I need to rewrite this my happy. I need small letters for the other letters. Now here is it. Resize to the size that is perfect. Now we are using white for our text, so we change the color to white. We give it a stroke. Go to stroke, activate stroke and then reduce the stroke to 1%. Now copy that text, edit it and then write new month. This one is too big, so we reduce the size and place it here. Adjust the position until you have what you want. Now it remains December. Now click on text, edit the text and then type. December will be in capital letter. Select font. I'm using Oswald bold. So you go to font and select your font, Oswald bold. Click OK. So we need to adjust the size. Since we are having the perfect size now, we go to color. Go to color, select color. This is the color. You can pick the color from the clothes by typing here. Click the dropper tool, select the image and then you pick the color on the dress. Now that you have your December, copy the December again. Copy that. Now you need to bring the image in between the two. Go to the layers and drag your 1st December at the back of this image. So one is at the base, one is at the top of the image. So close that. The one that is at the base, you leave that one. You don't need to do anything. Now select the image and give it shadow. Go to shadow and select the size you want. So we are giving it a yellow shadow, light yellow shadow. So after that, you bring this one perfectly on this December by going to your position, select position and adjust it. Now that you have it on it, you need to go to color to make your text appear special. So click on color. Once you click color, go to the selection and drag this one to the lightest part. Click OK. You see that it has disappeared. Now you go to stroke. Go to stroke. Activate the stroke and change it to white. Change it to white. And reduce the stroke. We need only 2. Now that you do that, you need to edit your text. So you need a bit of text editing here. You can leave it like this. You can decide to erase it and make it meaningful. So once you get it to this place, you are already done. But this month, you need to bring it to the front. That's new month. Bring the new month to the front. So here you go. This is it. After adjusting, you can have your design perfectly done like this.